Hey guys, this is Jacey Bowers. We're at Wabash and I'm going to be discussing the tomato trials. This is something we just started our first year. Right here I have Queen of the Night. I have, it's a beautiful new type of tomato. That's why the tomato trials are so wonderful, because we get to try a bunch of different ones. Ananas Noire, another beautiful black pineapple tomato. It's going to stay a little bit greener. And then as you can see moving down this way, Purple Calabash seems to be one of the best tomatoes we've ever grown. And that's one of the best parts about these tomato trials, is we get to see and experiment what works. Also, we planted a bunch of chives around the bottom just because it helps to deter pests, and also the flowers help to bring us beneficial microbes and beneficial insects to our gardens. We've used worm elixir and a Fox Farm product to help with our fruiting and growth. But besides that, it's just been a wonderful experience, especially with all of these new types. We're trying to add diversity, variety, so that when our people come in, we could tell them, hey, this is what grows well here. We tried it, we know it succeeds. So come on by and plant on.